Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw and welcome! Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo, at dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so August 1 ngayon, bagong buwan, kaya naman may new reading tayo, and this reading is a love reading for the month of August at para ito sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, and since this is a collective and general love reading, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Best to book a personal private reading. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Alright. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. Okay, so first time ko itong gagawin ay yung spread na to ay tinatawag kong aguhon spread. Aguhon is the Tagalog word for compass. And yan, ginagawa ko to sa aking mga pop-up readings. And yeah, first time kong gawin ito sa aking YouTube channel. Yan, so bale, bubunot ako ng one card from this deck, another card from the second deck, and the third deck, another card as well. Bale, trio siya for the south direction, west, then east, then north. Explain ko mamaya habang ginagawa kong reading ano yung mga directions na yun, ano yung meaning and energies na nakakabit doon. Okay, so gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng air signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video and commenting below. Okay? It really helps the channel grow, lalo na kung mapanood niyo yung video until the end. Kung nag-resonate siya, comment na po kayo. And kung nag-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko, kung bago kayo sa aking channel, subscribe na po para mag-grow pa yung aking channel at marami pa akong magawang love readings tulad nito para sa inyo. Okay, so ang bago ko bumunot ng tatlong pairs, and actually first time kong gagawin to sa YouTube channel as well, na tatlong decks yung gagamitin ko sa ang reading. Okay, yeah, bago ko ng decks, bubunot na ako ng dalawang cards from the Oracle deck, and that would be the overall energy, okay, ng spread na to. And from there, interpret natin siya further in detail using the tarot decks. So, yeah, alamin natin ano yung energy o love message para sa air signs ngayong Agosto. Okay, sige. So, simulan natin with the Oracle cards. Cut ko muna. At dahil August na ngayon, I'll get the 8th card. So first card, appreciation. Okay. Second card, and passion. Okay. Okay, what I can see here sa energy ng collective, I think there's so much passion in this connection. Itong you and your person, sobrang like yung isa't isa. And ang maganda para dito ay very grateful and thankful kayo na dumating siya sa buhay nyo at siya din dumating ka sa buhay niya. And I can see here that there's a lot of appreciation between you and your person and sa relationship. Alam mo yun, hindi mo na-feel na parang binabaliwala ka or hindi mo na-feel na unappreciated ka. Actually, yung ganda nga nung energy na to. And dahil doon, kaya dahil na-appreciate yung isa't isa, regardless sa mga flaws na meron, or sa mga di pagkakaunawaan, actually yung mga imperfections ninyo, nakita nyo siya and na-accept niyo and na-appreciate nyo rin na despite being imperfect, di ba, na nag-connect kayo, nagmahalan kayo, and yeah, mas kaya na-ignite palalo yung passion, yung pagmamahalan ninyo, the fire, the flame, whatever, how, bahala na kayo ako nung itawag nyo doon. Sorry, may sumasabit sa lalamunan ko. Ayan. Ayan, okay. So, yeah, napakaganda ng energy so far, ng overall energy. And now, alamin natin bakit ito yung overall energy na lumabas. Alright? So, sige, simulan natin yung south. So, yung first trio na bubunutin ko is the south direction. Or this is the energy or what we call tatawagin natin siyang where you're coming from. Or this is actually the energy or na root cause nung current or nung overall energy na do. And I think it's really positive, pero tingnan natin if may mga block din nandito na nakakabit sa energy and ano pa yung mga kailangan pang i-improve if there is any na kailangang ayusin. Makikita natin siya along the way. So, south is the parang root cause nung energy na to. And the root cause, I can feel na very positive na siya. Okay? So, cut ko lang. Okay. So, first part. 1, 2. Sensya, maliit ang aking mesa. Pero, the Emperor. Yeah. Sorry. And Page of Wands. Okay, so far so good. And lastly, the Hermit. Okay. Yeah, I can see here na yung reason din bakit yun yung overall energy. Makikita naman natin dito. First, there's a lot of stability sa relationship and you rely on each other talaga. Alam mo yun, yung nagre-rely ka dun sa appreciation na pinapakita ng person mo. Kaya parang yung passion nandun pa rin, hindi siya nawawala. Okay? And it's the same energy na binibigay or binabalik sa'yo ng person mo. Kaya napaka-ganda kasi yung stability and alam mo yun, both of you so very responsible kayo sa mga rules or mga ginagampanan ninyo sa inyong connection. Ano yung parte mo, ano yung parte niya. Very nagbibigayan talaga kayo. You support each other, you give and take, and very balanced yung energy here. There's yung person mo also relies on you dun sa appreciation na binibigay mo, kaya mas nabuboost din yung passion at talagang imbis, alam mo diba sa mga ibang relationship parang sa umpisa lang yung passion nandun na mafe-feel mo siya, pero here sa connection ninyo hanggang ngayon okay na okay siya, especially nakakabit din tong si Emperor energy with the Page of Wands, which is I mean yung there's this desire na parang laging, kasi sa Page of Wands is like it's the start of something that you desire. Passion din actually, yung Suit of Wands is a suit of passion, desires, what yung mga purpose ninyo sa life and now here sa relationship. And I mean parang laging bumabalik nga siya dun sa how it started. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi nawawala yung passion kasi from the beginning up until now, consistent, nandun siya. And hindi kayo nahihirapan na parang, walang sense, wala akong nakikita energy dito na nabobore na kayo sa isa't isa. And it's actually a good thing. Okay? And here kabit siya sa the Hermit, and here yung energy ni Hermit dito mas towards siya dun sa energy niya na self-growth. Alam mo yun, kasi di ba si Hermit, pag nagkaroon kayo ng reflection, tapos nalaman niyo yung mga bagay na kailangan niyo improve sa sarili niyo, eventually ang result niya is self-growth. But here, itong self-growth na to, because nga stable yung relationship and nandun very passionate talagang, tuloy-tuloy lang yung desire ninyo sa isa't isa, and there is so much love, there's so much appreciation going on. Yung relationship nag-grow, but at the same time individually nag-grow din kayo as a person dito sa relationship or connection na to, which is good. It's really a good thing, energy na to add yung Hermit energy din about self-growth is mas naiintindihan nyo yung sarili ninyo. Better now na may ka-relasyon kayo na ganito pala ako kapag nasa relasyon, ganito pala ako mag-react sa mga bagay-bagay kapag may partner na, versus kasi syempre pag ikaw lang per se as that Gemini, Libra or Aquarius person, di ba? Iba yung as an individual versus sa ikaw na may karelasyon na. So, here, very good na natutulungan nyo ang isa't isa sa pag-grow dito sa relationship. That's a good start. Okay? That's why very positive ang energy na to. Pero, still, there's no perfect relationship at may mga rooms for improvement pa rin. Now, we proceed dun sa West energy or what's behind you. So, this ito yung energy na or mga experiences, mga mindsets, or mga habits na meron kayo na it's not serving you anymore and it's time to let go of that energy. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yun. So, first card, Six of Coins. Okay naman siya, pero Seven of Cups. And lastly, Eight of Coins. So it's related to something tangible, okay? Something that you have to let go of. Okay, so so far kung titignan nyo parang, okay, positive, Six of Coins. Kasi Six of Coins is a card of gratitude na, yun nga, yung appreciation. Sobrang grateful talaga kayo and thankful na nakilala nyo isa't isa. And there's a lot of reciprocation as I can see here. However, with the Seven of Cups, meron pa kayong mga, parang, I would say parang wishful thinking or like a fantasy sa relationship na lumalabas siya tuloy na sort of kahit appreciate ninyo, parang may sense of discontent. Parang dahil nga sobrang happy and passionate kasi sa parang may thing pa rin, it's the energy na may parang hinahanap pa rin kayo. There's something, alam mo yun, na feeling, again, it's the energy na parang, okay naman, appreciated nyo isa't isa, there's so much love, affection, very passionate, pero, either you or your person or both, na may tendency lang na parang may hanapin pa, na more, when in fact, hindi na dapat. I think that's the energy that you have to let go. Na you have to be really genuine and totoo sa pagiging grateful. And yung reciprocation dapat talagang ano siya, coming from a genuine na intention, 'di ba? So kasi may nga na baka lang some of you sa iba sa inyo na may ang nangyayari is you're showing appreciation. Okay, so sinasambit niyo siya, sinasabi niyo siya, pero in terms of action parang hindi pa buong buo. Okay, so dapat maging whole siya, buo siya. Okay, kasi here with the 8 of coins, it's parang sinasabi kasi na mas mag-effort pa. Siguro may mga aspeto sa relationship na kailangan nyo pa ng effort. Yeah, nice na na-appreciate niyo yung ginagawa ng bawat isa. Okay, pero yung appreciation ba yun? Parang nag-expect pa kayo ng something more? Or okay na kayo, kontento na kayo din? Kasi here, yung 8 of coins is putting effort. And I think yung effort na sinasabi dito is to, yun nga na, hindi nyo na kailangan pa na magkaroon ng this energy of parang wishful thinking na, ay, ano pang pwedeng mangyari. Dapat parang, kung na-appreciate nyo yung ginagawa talaga ng isang tao, hindi nyo siya, parang sinasabi lang dito is, okay, na-appreciate ko yung ginagawa mo, pero dapat walang pero, gets? Yung may energy ako nasasagap dito na parang, yeah, I appreciate you, but, parang may ganun lagi. Parang may nakakabit na but or pero dun sa pag-appreciate nyo dun sa tao, which is, parang yung kadugtong ng but is something pa na, yun, nasa wishful thinking niyo or something na parang, iniisip nyo na, kahit hindi naman na kailangan, pero dahil fina-fantasize mo siya na mangyari, parang, ayun nga, nangyayari is hindi 100% yung appreciation na nangyari, pwedeng 95 lang. So, may 5% pa rin na parang, oops, hindi siya 100% appreciation. So, nag-gets nyo ba? So, yun. Okay, so it's very, I can see here na it's madali tong ayusin. Madaling i-let go itong energy na to. Okay, so you just have to really work on it para mas buo yung growth dun sa relationship. Okay, buo yung, like yung kanina sinabi ko, yung hermit energy na self-fulfillment, self-growth. Okay, mangyari siya din ng buong buo. Or yung growth ninyo hindi siya parang ma-stall or bumagal, ganun. Okay? So, now, okay, let's proceed naman dun sa East energy or ano yung opportunities or challenges na pwedeng kaharapin yung buwan. Okay. Okay, 6 of Cups. Okay. Oh, 7 of Swords. Okay, I think it's a challenge. May challenge na kakaharapin. Okay, and the Wheel. Okay. So simulan ko bakit challenges siya. Kasi si 7 of Swords, it's a card of, deception and manipulation. Okay? So, possible kasi na, yes, yung challenge, na-appreciate nyo yung passion nandyan, na-appreciate nyo yung isa't isa. Pero dahil may part of you na, and either you or your person or both, na hindi nga 100% yung appreciation, okay? Yeah, parang, yun nga, parang may, kahit sabihin natin 2% pa yan na, um, na yun yung, may 2% unappreciation gets na kulang dun sa kasi uh, hindi siya nanggagaling sa um, whole or buong-buong appreciation, genuine appreciation, di ba? Kasi tingnan mo, with the Seven of Swords, parang ang nangyayari kasi, pinapakita nyo siya for some. Kaya siguro lumabas itong appreciation na um, pinapakita nyo yung appreciation nyo dahil may inaantay pa kayo nga na mangyari. Yung wishful thinking ngayon na ito si Seven of Cups. Na parang, sige, ipakita ko pa na ina-appreciate ko siya kasi may hidden motive. Diba? And that's here, the Seven of Swords. So, dapat yung appreciation pure. Hindi siya dahil ina-appreciate nyo siya or yung person ninyo, roles can be reversed na okay, na-appreciate ako kasi may hinihintay na kapalit. Dapat hindi ganon, di ba? Kasi here with the Six of Cups pa na energy, may comparison pa na nangyayari. I think binabalik nyo siya sa mga may mga other memories or may experiences in the past na bumabalik na parang ang nangyari, kino-compare nyo yung present situation na dati kaya naman itong ex ko dati nagawa ko naman to before with this person, bakit so ibig sabihin parang kaya din, hindi kasi it's a different dynamics na, okay, it's the different combination ba, kumbaga, okay, parang you and your person is not equal to you and the past person. Okay? So, different experiences na nangyayari ngayon. So, hindi mo dapat balikan pa yung mga experiences mo in the past. Yeah, you can parang use it as reference, lalo na kung room for improvement siya. Pero, yung talagang apple to apple dapat yung mangyari. Hindi. Kasi, it will lalabas nga na sort of dinideceive nyo rin sarili nyo when it comes to sinasabi nyo na na-appreciate nyo pero may part of you na hindi pala. Okay? So, careful lang yan kasi here, it may come back to you. Diba? Yung ito na supposedly dapat okay, itong positive energy na to, baka bumaliktad pa siya. As shown here by the Wheel of Fortune. Kasi Wheel of Fortune has this energy, yung energy ng karma. Okay? I mean, with this trio here, ang nakikita ko dito is parang wino-warn kayo, this is a challenge, wino-warn kayo ni universe na careful with this, dapat nga genuine yung appreciation and kasi pwedeng bumalik yan sa'yo as something na parang baka karmahin ka then, diba? So, ingat lang. Okay? So, now there's still time na para ayusin yun, para hindi nga mag-manifest whatever this negative energy is. Okay? So now let's proceed to the North energy. So si North naman is, ano yung best action or step moving forward? Ano yung mga dapat yung gawin talaga when it comes to these energies na nabanggit na natin. Okay? Okay, Justice. Tama. And Temperance. See? And King of Wands. Yeah. So, moving forward, ito yung sinasabi ni Universe. Okay? Which I hope na sana gawin pa rin. First, Justice. Be fair. Okay? Justice is a card of fairness. Diba? So, if, diba, kung ikaw, you're showing genuine appreciation, diba? Dapat fair. dapat genuine din yung appreciation ng person mo. Hindi siya may parang kulang or parang pakitang tao lang, di ba? Or same goes to you, roles can be reversed. Kung genuine yung appreciation na pinapakita ng person mo, you have to also reciprocate it para yung harmony ng relationship, okay, is there. Para hindi siya magkaroon nga ng parang unstable energy that would lead to something karmic. Okay, so, and the temperance card is a card of moderation, balance, peace. Okay, so, and kung may mga issues kasi or may mga ganitong energy na hindi siya buong buo or hindi siya genuine, okay, may madi-disrupt yung peace, okay, and even harmony. Justice card here nga. So, dapat talaga may balance sa relationship. Okay? So, kung ito yung binibigay ng isa, tapos ikaw hindi, so may imbalance, di ba? Or ikaw mas mababa. So, dapat nandito para balance, para may harmony. Kasi pag nagpapakita ng yung isa na appreciation and passion, tapos ikaw ito lang, so may imbalance. So, kailangan i-balance siya. Or pag ganito, kailangan i-balance siya ulit. Okay? And here with the King of Wands, energy na nakakabit dito. King of Wands is being honest din talaga. So, if you say na, yeah, I appreciate you with all my heart, dapat totoo siya. Okay? At dapat nakikita siya sa actions, and not just actions, even alam nyo sa sarili nyo, dapat sa puso at isipan, at kayo lang nakakaalam yan, your thoughts, what's really deep inside your heart, kayo lang makakaalam yan. Okay, so dapat honest din kayo sa sarili niyo. Huwag niyong lokohin yung sarili niyo. Okay? Seven of Swords, huwag niyong alisin niyo yung deception towards yourself din. Okay, so King of Wands is a card of honesty, and also a card of relationship dynamics na here, if you do everything na para yung harmony and balance are there, pretty much same energy siya, your relationship dynamics or the relationship will grow even better. Okay? Ayun, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. If you're nagre-resonate ito sa inyo or you're in this situation, yun, sana nabigyan ko kayo ng insight and guidance sa mga next steps or mga kailangan nyong gawin para maging okay ang inyong love life this August. Okay? So, again, always use my reading with discernment. Nasa inyong kamay pa rin ang inyong kapalaran. We all have free will and we should use it wisely. Okay, so kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Ingat!